Hi, and today I'm going to show you how we can change the layout of our home page in an Office 365 site. Now I do this with pretty much every class I've got because it just makes the home page look like the class's individual page, and it makes it unique, and actually it's good for me because I know exactly what page I'm going into and what class I'm working with. So there's two distinct things we can do. We do both in the same sort of way, and it all relies on clicking the cog in the top right hand corner and clicking on Edit Page. Now, as I say, there's two things I'm going to show you how to do. The first one is to change the wording or the text on something that's already there. So I don't like the name Documents, I want to call it Our Class Documents. So I click on the web part, which is what Office 365 calls each section that I want to change, and in the top right hand corner of that part I'm going to click on the little drop down arrow and click Edit Web Part. Now this now gives me an option of all the different things that I can do to edit and change that web part. The second one down for me on Documents is its name. So I'm going to change it from Documents to Our Class Files, and I'm going to leave everything else as it is because I'm just giving you an example, and I'm going to click OK. And you'll now see that Office 365 applies that and changes the name to Our Class Files. The second thing we can do in layout is we can add a web part. So I'm going to add a web part just underneath Our Class Files, so I click where I want to add it and I go to the top left and click on Insert. Now what I do on a lot of my sites for education is add the homework app or the task app straight onto the home page. It just means that all the students, when they log in, have a list of all their homework tasks available to them as the first thing they see. So I'm going to click on App Part, and then I've already added the homework app, so I click on Homework and I'm going to click Add. And within a couple of seconds, Office 365 has added the homework app to my site. So now on the front page, the homework and the task will be listed for the students. Once I'm happy with the way it looks and the changes I've made, in the top left hand corner I click Save, and that now applies this to the entire site that I'm on. And you'll see the home page now looks exactly as I've laid it out, with a change to the title and the homework app added as a web part. And that is how we change the layout in an Office 365 site.